Timor-Leste is urging calm and a peaceful solution as the international community reacts to dramatic events in Venezuela. The crisis began on January 3rd when the United States launched a large-scale military operation targeting several sites in Venezuela, including locations linked to President Nicolas Maduro. During the operation, U.S. Special Forces captured Maduro and his wife Celia Flores and transported them out of the country. According to U.S. officials, the mission, involving aircraft and elite military units, was carried out to bring Maduro to face long-standing U.S. charges connected to drug trafficking and narco-terrorism. Critics, however, say the intervention violated Venezuela's sovereignty and international law, sparking intense global debate. Inside Venezuela, Vice President Delcy Rodriguez was sworn in as acting president and declared a state of emergency. Reports from international media described heightened security, arrests, and efforts by authorities to tighten control while mourning military personnel killed during the operation. Internationally, reactions have been divided. Some governments condemned the use of force, while others called for restraint and diplomatic dialogue. Timor-Leste, referencing the United Nations Charter, emphasized respect for sovereignty, the non-use of force, and the need to resolve disputes through peaceful negotiations. Shortly after his capture, Nicolas Maduro appeared in the U.S. federal court where he pleaded not guilty to the charges against him, calling his removal a kidnapping and insisting he remains Venezuela's legitimate leader. The case now moves forward with legal arguments expected to continue in the months ahead. For Timor-Leste, the focus remains on preventing further escalations, protecting civilians, and ensuring that international law guides the next steps in Venezuela's unfolding crisis.